This unit is our DTP08. It's a fully counterbalanced unit, has rear wheel steering. It's a manual lift unit, so we pump this handle to lift the drum, and we can lower by turning this handle. So we use the rear wheel steering to push the unit. I'm going to steer in, and we're going to pick up this green drum. So the unit has counterweight in this back box, but it's still quite easy to maneuver. The main thing is don't try and push it too fast, just nice and smoothly. It'll turn in its own footprint. So we line up our drum gripping head with the center line of the drum and push it in so the catch goes over. Then we have a look at the catch, and we have to lower it down a little bit so the toggle goes under the drum. But we'll show you this, a close-up of this later on. Then we pump this handle here. Drum's full of water, so it weighs about 210 kilos. Picks it up off the pallet. Again, use this handle, so just lean back, and the unit will come with you. And just use the steering. And then we can drop the drum down by turning this lever here. So as you turn it, drum will come down. As soon as the weight has been released, there's no weight on the unit, we just lift the handle here, push the unit away. Then we come to this next drum. So this is a Mauser drum, 120 litre. So for this one, we need to change the catch setting. So what we do with this one, adjusting for the Mauser drum, we need to move this hook forward. So you can see this series of holes in this plate here. So we know on the Mauser setting we need to move this forward. So we take out the spring clip, hold this and take the pin out. Then we can refit this in the forward hole. Then refit the pin. This is secure. And we also need to take this down one. This can be plugged into different places on this ladder rack to suit different drum heights. So we do the same thing, take this out, lift it up, and it just literally slots in here onto these. So move it into that position, and then refit this pin. Once you get used to these, it's second nature because you get used to which drums need which settings. Most of the drums are picked up on the top standard settings, but when you're picking up Mausers, you do need to move it. And the last thing is just ensure this plate is flipped up. It allows us to get closer to the Mauser. Now the catch is set, we can go to the back of the unit and we'll pick up the Mauser. So wheel in, nice and central, to the centre part of the drum. You can see the catch going over the top. And then we lower the catch down. I can see through the guarding that the toggle has gone underneath the drum. Now if I pump this handle, we lift the drum up off the pallet. Again, use the rear steering, wheel it round, then we open this valve here to lower the drum down to the floor. As soon as the weight is off the drum and you see the drum's on the floor, we lift up the toggle here and manoeuvre it away from the drum. At the back of the unit here, we have a park brake. We put that, and that stops the unit moving.